Hi friends, this is Ganesh. So in the last video, we just started calendars class. So in that class, I have discussed about what is calendar. So the difference between normal year and a leap year, and odd days. The odd days are very important. Please be focused on it because most of the students. I told you now in the last video. So what is the mistake that students do generally? So I have discussed that also. Please be focused on odd days because most of the students will put wrong option because they will not be taking those days as a weeks. For example, if you get 9 days as a 9 days as odd days, so the option 9 will be present in the question, right? You will be putting 9 as the correct answer, but out of the 9 days, I can take 7 days as 1 week, right? So the number of odd days is 2, right? You just be focused on that. Now coming to the next part, so I have discussed about leap year. So for the leap year repeats for every 4 years, and we discussed that and all that which year belongs to leap year. I told you that also, at the year which is divisible by 4 is a leap year. So and coming to the next part, and the very important part is we discuss the codes are very important because we'll be using the same code for the entire concept of calendars, right? You just try to recall the video and try to get into this video now. So in the last lecture video, we discussed codes and we just stopped our session. In this class, now let us start a new topic, that is how to find the day on a particular date. How to find the day on a particular date. So how to find the day on a particular date? See, so there is a question here. You can able to see a question here, that is what is the day on 9th September 2017, right? If someone come and ask you that, so what is the day on 9th September 2017? If he asks you like that, so what you will be telling? What is this man? Is this man is mad or what? How can I tell that day on 9th September 2017, which is already gone? You will be arranging the question in your dot. But there is a solution for this. So to find the day, we are having one formula, that is date plus MC belongs to month code. You just write it in your book because you will be getting what is MC. You will be finding some difficulty. You just write because due to insufficient place, I just wrote MC as month code plus number of years plus number of leap years plus century code. I will be telling what is this number of years and what is number of leap years in the question itself, right? You just got the formula for day, that is date plus month code plus number of years plus number of leap years plus century code divided by 7, right? It is divided by 7. Now let us go to the question. So what is the day on 9th September 2017? He is asking me what is the day on 9th September 2017, means whether it is Sunday or Monday or Saturday or it is a Friday. I just want to tell that, right? Now day is equal to date. So what is the date? 9th September means 9. So 9 plus month code. So what is the month here? September. So September is the month. So what is the month code for September? Month code for September is 6. You just recall the last video. And number of years. So what is this number of years? Right, given. See, he given 2017. Right, he given 2017. So which year it is? 2017 year. So you just take the last two digits of the year. You just take last two digits of the year and just put it in case of number of years. And just put it in the case of number of years. In the same way, if they have given 2009 number of years is 89. So 2014 number of years is 14. 1978 number of years is 78. 1886 number of years 86. Means the year which they have given, you just take the last two digits. So what is the last two digits in 2017? That is 17. So the number of years is 17 plus number of leap years. What is this number of leap years? So what I will tell now. You just take the 17. I already told that leap year repeats for every 4 years, right? If it comes in 2016, it will appear in 2020, and next leap year will be occurring 2024. Means the leap year repeats for every 4 years. So that I am dividing this 17 by 4. So 4 4s are 16. My remainder is 1. You just put this 4 in the number of leap years. So you just take the quotient. So the quotient which is in this concept, you just take it in the number of leap years. So we'll be discussing if you do number of problems, then you can able to get number of leap years. Means after dividing the year by 4, so what is the value present at here? You just put it here plus century code. plus century codes. What is the century code for 2000 to 2019? So because 2017 belongs to which category? Belongs to 2000 to 2019 category. Means the number of the century code for this is 6. The century code for this is 6. I will be taking 6 by 7. So 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 6 25, 25 plus 7 42. So 42 by 7. So 7 6 are, so you just take 42 divided by 7. 7 6 are 42. So the remainder is 0. So you just put 0 here because that. So whatever the remainder you got, you just put it here. Now tell me, 0 is the code for which day? 0 is the code for which day? So please be focused. I already told. So Saturday is equal to 0. Sunday is equal to 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means 2 belongs to Monday, 3 belongs to Tuesday, 4 belongs to Wednesday, 5 belongs to Friday, 6 belongs to Thursday. So 6 belongs to Friday. Means I got remainder as 0, so that I can tell this 0 belongs to Saturday. So 9th September 2017 is Saturday. 9th September 2017 is Saturday. Right? You'll be able right, what I'm going to tell you that you'll be getting confusion at two places, whether to take quotient here, whether to take remainder here, right? Always in case of number of leap years, you should be taking this value, that is quotient. In case of the answer, you'll be taking the remainder. So it always comes less than 7 itself, because we are dividing by 7, so it always comes less than 7 itself. So 0, the code for 0 is Saturday, right? You just check it in the calendar whether 9th September 2017 is Saturday or not, right? After that you will be coming to this, right? Hope you get this. If you have any doubts, you just put it in the comment box. Definitely I'll look at that. So just pause the video and write this. Now let us try to solve some more questions based on the day's concept, and after this we'll be ending up and we'll be going to the next topic. Right, so we are having some questions. So these are the questions which has been previous years, like SSC, RRB. So these are the questions which were asked. Now coming to this, they are asking the question that on which day National Science Day happened in year 2017. Means he is asking, and in 2017 year, on which day we celebrated National Science Day. So they are asking me a question. So initially, to get this, we should know the day and the day. We should know the day. We should know the date and in which month the Science Day will happen. See, always Science Day will be celebrated on 28th February. So always apart from this, so irrespective of years, always Science Day will be celebrated on 28th February, right? You just try to get the, so I given you the date now. You just follow the formula which I have given and try to get this. You just pause the video and try to get the solution. Right, so I'll be discussing. So what is our formula? So day is equal to date plus month code plus number of years plus number of leap years plus, what is this, number of leap years plus century code divided by 7. So what is my date? 28. So 28 plus, so month code, so February month code is 4. February month code is 4 plus number of years. So 17 is my number of leap years. So 17 is my years. So number of leap years for 17 is, you will be getting 4, which we have, I have already told you in the last test. For 17 you will be getting number of leap years as 4, and for the century code for 2017 is 6 divided by 7. So you just try to add all these things. So 28 plus 4 is 32, 32 plus 4 is 38, 38 plus 6 is 44, 44 plus 17. So 44 plus 17 is, so 11, you will be getting 61. You will be getting 61. So you just try to divide 61 by 7. So what you will be getting if you divide 61 by 7? Right? See, check whether we have did addition as correct or not. So 28 plus 4 32, 32 plus 4 is 36, 30, right, we did here wrong. So 36 plus 6 is 42, so 42 plus 17, so 42 plus 17, which is 9, you will be getting 5 6 69, you will be getting 69, right or not? Right, is this correct? You just check it. I am putting 1 here. So 59. So 59. So 42 plus 17 is 59, right? So 59. So you just divide 59 by 7. You just divide 59 by 7. So what is 59 divided by 7? So 7 8 are 56. So the remainder is 3. What is the day for 3? What is the day for 3? Right? So 0 is for Saturday. 1, 2, 3. So 1 is for Sunday. 2 is for Monday. 3 is for Tuesday. So this is Tuesday. Means the National Science Day. We celebrated the National Science Day on Tuesday in the year 2017. In the year 2017, you just try to get it in the calendar, right? So what is the day on 28th February 2017, right? Similarly, you just pause the video and try to get this. On which day India got independence? On which day? On which day India got independence? You just pause the video and try to get this. Hope you got the answer. Now coming to the solution. So we got independence on which? We got independence on 15th August 1947. Right? Is this correct or not? So we got independence on 15th August 1947. Right? Right or not? Now we got the date. So we got the date. Now day is equal to date plus. So what is the date? 15. So what is the month? What is the month? What is the month code for August? So the month code for August is 3. Right or not? So the month code for August is 3. Now coming to this number of years. So I already told you should take the last digits. So 47. So how to find number of leap years? How to find number of leap years? You just divide 47 by 4. You just divide 47 by 4. So 4 1 are 4, 7. So 4 1 are 4, you'll be getting 3. So 11 is the number of leap years, right? So 11 is the number of leap years. Plus what is the century code for 1940? So 1947 comes under 1900 to 1999, right or not? So in this zone, what is the century code for 1900 to 1999? So the code for the century code is 0. The code for century code is 0. So 11 plus 0 by 7. 11 plus 0 by 7. Now you just add this and divide by 7. So what is the answer? So 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 11 is right 28, 38, 39. So 39 plus 47. So 39 plus 47 by 7. Right? So you will be getting. You just divide the answer by 7. Whatever the remainder you got, you just put it and check. Because why I am telling this now? Because if I do now, you will not focus it. But if I stop here now, definitely you look at this and individually you will get the answer, right? So if you did it correctly, you just do it and get the remainder. Check it with the calendar whether it is correct. You did it correct. If the answer is not correct, definitely you will think that you have did some mistake, right? You have done some mistake, right? So you'll be getting some answer here. You just after listening the class, you just put it in the comment box. So on which day we got independence on 15th August 1947. By looking at calendar, I can tell that it came on Friday. So what is the month code for Friday? You will be getting 6 as the month code for Friday. Means you should get 6 as remainder here, right? So you do it. Okay, now coming to the next question. On which day Valentine's Day celebrated in 2020? So we will be familiar with this, right? So we most probably will be not familiar with this all these days, but we are familiar with this Valentine's Day because we all eagerly wait for this. Now coming to the so on which day Valentine's Day celebrated in 2020, right? So on which day Valentine's Day celebrated in 2020? You just pause the video and try to get the solution for this. So always Feb 14. So we know that irrespective of years, always Valentine's is celebrated on February 14th. But he gave year is 2020. Now it can be written as 14th February 2020. So day is equal to date. So what is the date? 14. Month code for February is 2. Number of years is 20. Number of leap years. So number of leap years is 20 divided by 4. So 20 divided by 4. 4 5s are 20. So 5 plus what is the code for 2000? What is the code for 2000 to 2099? The code is 6 divided by 7. So 14 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 20 is 36. 36 plus 5 is 41. 41 plus 6 is what is 41 plus 6 is 47, so 47 by 7. So 47 by 7, you just divide 47 by 7, so 7 6 are 42, 47 minus 2 is 5, so you will be getting 5 as the remainder. So what is the code for 5? The code for 5 is Thursday. Right or not? So the code for 5 is Thursday. Means we celebrated Valentine's Day on Thursday in 2020. So if you have any doubts, you just go through the calendar and check whether we got Thursday or not. You okay with this? Hope all you are clear with this, right? If you have any doubts, you just put it in the comment box. Okay with this, right? If I did any addition mistake, you just recall that, right? Because most I will be doing some mistakes in case of calculation. If I did any wrong, you just see it. Okay. Now, so this is the answer for this. So these are the problems which we'll be discussing, right? So we'll be going to the next concept. You just pause the video and try to get all these things. Sorry for the so last question I have done some mistake, that is, so 14 plus, so February code is 4 now, so I just wrote it as 7. I just kept February code as 2 in the last sum, but February code is 4 no, right? So 4 plus years is 20, the number of leap years is 5, and the code for this is 6, and this is divided by 7. You will be getting, so 14 plus 4 16, 16 plus 20 36, 36 plus 5 is 41, 41 plus you will be getting right? So 14 plus 4, you will be getting 49 by 7. You will be getting 49 by 7, right or not? Right? So 49 by 7, 7 7 are 49, so the remainder is 0. So 0 is the code for Saturday. So we celebrated Valentine's Day on Saturday in 2020, right? You just pause the video and try it, because I just kept code for February as that itself, right? So in order to get this, I wrote this as, sorry for that. You just try to get this. Okay, so we will be moving to the next concept, that is, which is very important. So this is case 1. So this is case 1. So what is the case 1? I just gave it directly, but we'll be having two cases. That is, case 1 is, so they'll be giving some date and they'll be asking the date. But coming to the case 2, which is somewhat interesting comparing to the case 1, that is, so case 2, the questions based on case 2 will be like this. If 19th January 2017 is Tuesday, then what is 20th January 2019? So what is the day on 20th January 2019? So they will be asking some questions like this. So this comes under case 2. So previously in case 1, they will be giving you the date. We should find the date. But here they will be giving you the reference date. So this is we call this as the reference date. So they will be giving you the reference date, and from the differences and from the given reference date, we should be able to find the day for this. Right? Hope you get this. I'll be discussing with this. You just pause the video and write all these things. So this is the case 2. So initially we discussed about case 1. So I already told you the difference between case 1 and case 2. In case 1, they will be giving you one date. They will be able to ask you what is the day on the given date. But in this case 2, it is very important, very important, because most of the questions, when they want to ask questions from basics itself, they will be asking the questions on case 2, right? Coming to the case 2, so what case 2 will tell us? If 13th March 2013 is Saturday, then what is the day on 13th March 2015, right? So what is the difference? Reference is this. The reference date for this is this. Now let me check whether this is correct or not. So initially we should check whether the given question is correct or not, right? So now coming for the solution. Now day is equal to date. So what is the date? 13 plus month code. So 13 means March. So the month code for March is 4. The month code for March is 4 plus number of years. So number of years is 13. Number of leap years. How to find number of leap years? That is 13 divided by 4. 4 3 is 12. So remainder is 1. So 3. So 3 plus. So 2018, the code for this is 6 by 7. So 13 plus 4, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 20 plus 13, which is equal to 33. 33 plus 6, 39. So 39 divided by 7. So 7 5 is a, what is this? 7 5 is a 35. So 7 5 is 35. Remainder is 4. 7 5 is 35. Remainder is 4. So 4 is the code for which day? 4 is the code for which day? That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0 belongs to Saturday. So this is Sunday. This is Monday. This is Tuesday. This is Wednesday. Means this is Wednesday. This is Wednesday. But what they given? They given Saturday. But they given Saturday. Right? You will be facing some problem here. What we got Wednesday, but why he given a Saturday? Right? So these are the questions I told you now. So this comes under case 2. Means if this is this, what is this? That is the only case. No need to worry about this. So that the day on 13th March 2013 is Wednesday, but why they have given Saturday? Right? We'll be facing some problem here. So how to overcome this problem, I'll be telling you. Let's see. So we initially the correct answer for this Wednesday, but they given Saturday. Means what? We are at Wednesday. So what should I do to Wednesday so that I can come back to Saturday? So that I can come back to Saturday. You just think about it. So what should I do to 4 so that I can go back to Saturday? Right? So if I subtract minus 3 from Wednesday, can I go to Saturday? Can I go to Saturday? Because 3, 2, 1. So I should go back. So if I subtract minus 3 from Wednesday, then I can go to Saturday. Then I can go to Saturday. Means what? So our correct answer is Wednesday. But all the he given a Saturday, I will be subtracting minus 3 so that I can get my Saturday. Right? So you just put this. Now coming to this, how to solve this? How to solve this?